So let's quickly unbox this Noise watch. And see what's inside this box of Noise watch. This is my first Noise watch, and let's quickly see what's inside it. So yeah, let's see what's the inside component. Okay, here is the Noise logo. It's just the cover, and I believe these are the manual, and this is the Noise watch. Let's take it out. Okay, it's quite heavy and nice packaging. Get this foam to keep it in between like this, and we have this protective covering which says listen to the noise within. And yes, this is the Noise Halo Edition. This looks quite premium. We have this plastic covering. So let's keep it aside and see what's other thing inside the box. It's nothing much. You have this. It's just cardboard. And what else we have? We have Type C cable, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, it's a type, not a Type C, it's a type you find on other less expensive watches. You can see it settles. I'll just remove it and show. And I don't know what this is. So we'll just check out. So we'll keep all these things aside and see the watch. So yeah, this is the watch, and the charging port sits out here. So it must be magnetic charging cable. So it will probably set like this, if you can see it. It is like this, and yes, it just sits like this. It's a magnetic thing. Okay, we'll just switch on this watch. Okay, in the back it says heart rate, all this, and let's switch it on. Yeah, you see? Okay. You need to download the app and pair with device. Pairing. Start using. Okay, this is a nice. Okay, on my hand it looks nice because only I got like good and big hands. So the UI looks nice. And all this, you got the heart rate here. Let's see if it's, yeah, it is testing right now. Okay, I don't know why. Pairing unsuccessful, your Noise Plus is successfully paired. Okay, this is, okay, now this thing is successfully paired. It started. Let's do this. Okay, all those details. Okay, at the moment it says 100 bpm, 100 beats per minute. Let's skip this one. Here are my device, and SpO2. Let's see the SpO2 blood oxygen. It does take a lot of time. I don't know why. Okay, that says 97%, and probably it's correct. Then you have the sleep, you have the stress option, you have various widgets out here, and this is the home button. When you right swipe, you have, okay, you have this option for notification, you have option for brightness, that's sleep, okay, that's battery, that's maybe connectivity, that's torch, yeah, this torch option, Then you have settings and you get a lock option. Okay, the watch is locked right now. To unlock the screen, press and hold the top button of the watch. Okay, so now it's unlocked. So yeah, this is the interface. It's quite basic. Normal, your right swipe, you have various options, and at last you had the widget, the alarm, the heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, sleep, breathe time, weather, world clock, and all. Apart from that, yes, that's it. If you do the swipe from the bottom, you'll get the notification. On the top you get the notification bar, complete what's on your phone. Your left swipe, you get the widgets. That's just the entire. Now this is the noise health, music, calculator, flashlight, watch light, weather, reminders, sports record, workout, clock, noise bars, noise health. So I believe that's all from the watch, all the information that you get on the watch. You can see, and it looks good, it looks premium, not that cheap, but yes, when you wear it you feel like it's quite heavy on your hand, and the widgets does look nice. And this is the home button, and this is all the workout options when you put this. So yeah, this is the Noisefit Halo Plus, which costed me around 5,300 with discount. I don't know what's the actual price of it. The MRP shows 8,999. It's completely connected with my phone right now, and I'll just go to the app and show you how the interface of the app is. All the details which you are able to see on your phone are displayed on the app as well. You can see all the challenges, what is next. We have various feeds out here where people are putting their daily routines and all. These are all noise categories. You have their accessories, smartwatches, everything. And you see my device, you have various faces of the watch. You can put whichever you want. If I'm thinking of putting this one, update with the face, and it's updating. See, the transfer is going on rapidly. It's connected to Bluetooth. Yeah, that's done. There's been almost a minute or so, and the watch face is being installed. It's displaying on the app on the watch. So we have various options of widgets out there, and then you have various design wise and health wise. There is more app option as well. So yeah, it says install, and this looks nice. If you see like this, it does look like a watch, and like tilt to activate or tilt to bright the screen is on, and it's seems good on your hand. And even you can buy a different strap for this, and I guess this is for removing the strap or so. That I'll read the manuals of it. So yeah, this is the new watch I bought from Noise, and it looks good. This is the Halo Plus, the Noisefit Halo Plus Elite Edition. And so yeah, that's all from this video of the new watch from Noise. And if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. And for more unboxing, more travel content, to subscribe the channel. Till then, take care, have a nice day.